Okay, darlings. So hopefully you have done your word Wednesday by now. And your word was elaborate or elaborate. Potato, potato, however you're going to say it or answer it. So let's go ahead and go over this word, shall we? So we have elaborate, that's how I say it. It is a verb for your part of speech. If you wrote down adjective, then you are looking at the wrong one, so go ahead and erase if you need to. The definition is to add details to or expand. Some synonyms that I came up with, and you could have came up with more because they list tons of them on thesaurus.com. But we have augment, boost, exaggerate, and supplement. And then our antonyms would be shrink, weaken, shallow, and subtract. I didn't draw a picture. I'm sure you came up with some really cool ones. Ouch, hit my hand. So, you know what? Share some of those pictures and what you came up with. Go ahead and pause this video if you need to, and then we'll move on once everybody's done with their Word Wednesday. So I'm guessing that you are done with your Word Wednesday. Bravo. 2 claps for you all. Oh, if you didn't do it, let's try it again. 2 claps for you all. There you go, you did it. And make sure that your Word Wednesday is in the correct spot of your binder. So what we're going to go over is your activity for the day. That's what you're going to be working on for the rest of the class period. And you need to get out your mail. It's the topic sentence activity. Go ahead and get that out, please. And let's read the instructions together. It says, evaluate each topic sentence by rating it on a scale of 1, 2, 3, or 4. Remember, a rating of a 4 means all the stipulations of a perfect topic sentence are present. These topic sentences are right here, were written by some of you. I took the topic sentences from your Bundy Burgers and I placed them in this activity. So what I want you to do right here is rate it. Is it a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4? And then what I want you to do is to explain. Why did you give it a rating of a 1? Why did you give it a rating of a 2? So on and so forth. What was it missing? You're doing that for all the sentences on the front and sentences on the back. I think there's 15. Then the next question says, what are the 4 stipulations for a perfect topic sentence? If you cannot remember this, go back to your mini lesson or look at your Lit Term Tuesday because it's definitely right there. Then I have a plagiarism activity for you because we went over plagiarism yesterday. It says identify the correct plagiarism type in the following examples. And so what I've given you are 6 different examples, and I want you to list which type of plagiarism it would be. These types of plagiarism are listed in your mini lesson from yesterday. And then I have a few questions about in-text citations. Do not fly through this, okay? You know, Friday is the end of midterm. And this is one of your last assignments that's going to be put in for the grades. And you need to make sure that you get a good grade on this. So take your time. You have, I'm guessing, probably around 35 minutes left in class. This should take you at least 30 minutes of that. Because these topic sentences, you may look and say, oh yeah, that doesn't sound very good. Well, why? I'm expecting detailed responses. When I say explain, I don't mean just say, it's missing fluency, it's missing a main idea. I want a detailed response. I'm holding you accountable. You know what I expect. Remember, if you have a good behavior note left, that I will give you 7 points. If there is a bad behavior note, even one name left, I'm taking away 10 points. And even if it's just for one person, it doesn't matter. We win as a team, we lose as a team. Also, another reminder is don't forget to look over on the board. I think it's over here, but I don't know. Sometimes when I record these videos, they're backwards. So on the board somewhere on one of the sides of me is the Christmas decorating sign up. Thursday after school, we're staying until 4:45 to put up the Christmas tree and to decorate our classroom for Christmas. So if you're interested, make sure you sign up your name on that board. Well, good luck, my darlings. I hope you have a great day and make sure that you behave for Mrs. White. And I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.